Hello everyone, here we have a DJI Agras T50. If you wish to upgrade or downgrade the firmware, either on your aircraft or your remote controller, you have to link the aircraft to your remote controller. Once you've done that, you can come here to the remote controller. On the home page, if your aircraft or remote controller needs an update, there will be a notification right here where it says device management. It'll say update. You can press device management, and then either the remote controller or the aircraft will say update. You can press, for example, the aircraft. Right here where it says firmware version will be highlighted red. You can press that and it will start upgrading your firmware for the aircraft. And it's the same process for the remote controller. Now, if you wish to downgrade your firmware for any reason, you can press firmware update. And then where it says current version, either on the remote controller or the aircraft, let's go on the aircraft, you can see the current version and the previous versions of firmware. Now, you can press the previous version, then you go back, you can press the aircraft, and you can press update, and it will, in this case, it will start downgrading your firmware for the aircraft. And it's the same process for the remote controller. I hope this was helpful, and thank you guys for watching.